students, welcome to our channel. Today's topic inverse trigonometric functions. In this lecture we are going to cover domain, range and principal value. Let's begin. Here I wrote some functions, their domain and range. You can quickly note down these things. Let's solve some problems. Here, find the domain of following functions. We know that domain of sin inverse x is closed interval -1, 1. For sin inverse 2x -1 less than equals to 2x less than equals to 1, minus half less than equals to x less than equals to 1 by 2. Therefore x belongs to closed interval half comma minus half comma half. Therefore domain of fx is -1, 1 intersection -1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is -1 by 2, 1 by 2. Next problem is fx equals to sin inverse root over x square minus 1. Now -1 less than equals to root over of x square minus 1 less than equals to 1. Since this one is positive, therefore 0 less than equals to root over x square minus 1 less than equals to 1. Squaring both sides, 0 less than equals to x square minus 1 less than equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to x square less than equals to 2. From here we can say that minus root 2 less than equals to x less than equals to minus 1. This implies x belongs to minus root 2 comma minus 1, and 1 is less than equals to x less than equals to root 2 implies that x belongs to 1 comma root 2. Therefore domain of fx is minus root 2 comma minus 1 union 1 comma root 2. Next problem, fx equals to cos inverse x square minus 4. Therefore minus 1 is less than equals to x square minus 4 less than equals to plus 1. 3 is less than equals to x square less than equals to 5. This implies that minus root 5 less than equals to x less than equals to minus root 3 and root 3 less than equals to x less than equals to root 5. This implies that x belongs to minus root 5 comma minus root 3 and x belongs to root 3 comma root 5. Therefore domain of fx is minus root 5 comma minus root 3 union root 3 comma root 5. Next problem is fx equals to 2 cos inverse 2x plus sin inverse 2x. For cos inverse 2x, minus 1 is less than equals to 2x less than equals to plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 less than equals to x less than equals to 1 by 2. This implies that x belongs to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 in closed interval. Domain of sin inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, domain of fx is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 intersection minus 1 comma 1, that is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Next problem is fx equals to cosec inverse x minus tan inverse x. We know that domain of cosec inverse x domain of sec inverse x is minus infinity minus 1 union 1 comma infinity, and domain of tan inverse x is real number. Therefore, domain of fx is minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity intersection real number, that is minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. This will be the answer. Now, find the principal value of following functions. Sin inverse of minus root 3 by 2 equals to sin inverse minus root 3 by 2 means sin pi by 3. We know that principal value of sin inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Sin inverse sin of minus pi by 3 equals to minus pi by 3. This will be the answer. Now, cos inverse sin 4 pi by 3, cos inverse sin 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 6. We can write 4 pi by 3 by this one equals to cos inverse cos pi by 6, but this will be negative, equals to cos inverse of cos pi minus pi by 6. Since Principal value of cos inverse x lies between 0 and pi, equals to cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 6 equals to 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 will be the answer. Now the problem is sin inverse of tan 5 pi by 4. Sin inverse tan pi plus pi by 4 equals to sin inverse tan pi by 4. Sin inverse 1 sin inverse sin pi by 2. Pi by 2 will be the answer. Next problem is cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Principal value of cos inverse x lies between 0 and pi. Cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 means cos pi by 4 equals to cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 4 cos inverse cos 3 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4. This will be the answer. Next problem is cosec inverse minus root 2. Principal value of cosec inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, but principal value of cosec inverse x is other than 0. Cosec inverse minus cosec inverse pi by 4, root 2 means cosec pi by 4. This is not inverse, this is only cosec. Okay. Equals to cosec inverse cosec minus pi by 4 equals to minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 will be the answer. Next, sec inverse 2 tan 3 pi by 4 equals to sec inverse 2 tan pi by 2 plus pi by 4 equals to sec inverse 2 cot pi by 4, but this will be negative. Sec inverse of minus 2, sec inverse of minus sec pi by 3. We know that principal value of sec inverse x lies between 0 and pi, but principal value does not include pi by 2, equals to sec inverse sec pi minus pi by 3 sec inverse sec 2 pi by 3 equals to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 will be the answer. Next problem is cot inverse 1 by root 3. We note that principal value of cot inverse x belongs to open interval 0, pi. Cot inverse cot of pi by 3 equals to cot inverse cot pi minus pi by 3 equals to cot inverse cot 2 pi by 3 equals to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 will be the answer. Next problem. Sine inverse cos sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means this one. Root 3 by 2 means sine pi by 3. Sine inverse cos pi by 3. Sine inverse cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. Sine inverse of sine pi by 6 equals to pi by 6. Pi by 6 will be the answer. Next problem is cos inverse 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse pi by 3. 1 by 2 means cos pi by 3 minus 2 sine inverse minus sine pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos pi by 3 minus 2 sine inverse of sine minus pi by 6, that is pi by 3 minus 2 into minus pi by 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 will be the answer. Next, tan inverse 2 sine 4 cos inverse root 3 by 2. Tan inverse 2 sine 4 cos inverse root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means cos pi by 6. Tan inverse 2 sine 4 into pi by 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Therefore, tan inverse 2 sine 2 pi by 3 equals to tan inverse 2 sine pi by 2 plus pi by 6 equals to tan inverse 2 cos pi by 6 equals to tan inverse 2 into root 3 by 2 equals to tan inverse root 3 equals to tan inverse tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 will be the answer. Next problem, tan inverse of tan 5 pi by 6 plus cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6. Tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 6 plus cos inverse cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 equals to tan inverse tan pi by 6, but this will be negative, plus cos inverse cos pi by 6 equals to tan inverse tan minus pi by 6 plus cos inverse cos pi by 6 equals to minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Answer will be 0. Next problem. Cosec inverse 2 tan 11 pi by 6. Cosec inverse 2 tan 2 pi minus pi by 6. Cosec inverse 2 tan pi by 6, but this will be negative. Cosec inverse minus 2 into 1 by root 3. Cosec inverse minus cosec inverse minus pi by 3 equals to cosec inverse cosec minus pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 will be the answer. Next problem is tan inverse 1 by root 3 plus cot inverse 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse sine minus pi by 2. Tan inverse minus tan pi by 6 plus cot inverse cot pi by 3 plus tan inverse minus sin pi by 2. Tan inverse tan minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse minus 1 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse minus tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 3 plus tan inverse tan minus pi by 4. We can write pi by 3 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 4. LCM will be 12. 4 pi minus 2 pi minus 3 pi equals to minus pi by 12 will be the answer. Next problem is for you. Answer the following in comment section. Thank you.